I'm a wedding and portrait photographer and I work out of my home here, so security is a little bit important to me. A couple of reasons you might want to consider getting a surveillance system. Well, one, peace of mind, definitely. Two, being able to check in on things right from your phone when you're not even home. Number three, it can help lower insurance premiums. And finally, the security system that I now have in my home does a whole lot more than let me just replay people stealing stuff from me. It can actually protect my home and ward off invaders. So let me show you what I have installed in my home. All right, now some of the cameras definitely need professional installation, but this one is as easy as it gets. It's literally just plug and play, and I control it from my phone. I've got 2 kids, and sometimes I do need to run into my office, or God forbid, as a mother, take a shower and get ready. Behave. I will be right back, okay? You guys doing okay? What are you doing? Now the rest of the system I have is all concentrated outside and really pointed on entrances, as well as the driveway, my back patio, and the playground. Although I never let my kids outside without me because, as you can tell, I live on a main street. The majority of the cameras outside are hardwired, connected to the DVR, and recording on site. So it's a little bit more secure of a system. But the thing that I like about the Swann system is that I can set my away times automatically or just set away. If motion is detected, not only does a super loud siren go off, but it starts flashing blue and red lights. So hopefully, instead of me just being able to watch someone steal something off of my front porch like last time, they'll come, that'll happen, freak them out, and then we'll be able to watch them run away. Now there might be places in your home, like mine, since it was built in the 1800s, that are really difficult to hardwire a camera. So Swann has these solar-powered cameras that work really well and record to the cloud. Just like some of the other cameras, this one you can talk through and hear from, and it's good at night with infrared. So this is my studio, a converted garage really, and you can see that I have this camera right up here, which is pointed towards the playground, one of the benefits of having a home studio, right? And then I have the other one here that's pointed to the driveway. The last camera is inside, and I'll show you the DVR system too. So this is my garage / studio, and as you can see, there's a lot of gear here. So very honestly, transparent, I've always been worried about having my gear outside. I feel much better having this place completely secure, surveillance, motion detector, flashing lights, and sirens. So the other camera is here, and then I have the DVR system upstairs. So you wanna come? So this is it. This is where everything is recording to. Not that exciting, but it doesn't leave a big footprint, so that's nice. I ended up going with the Swann security system for a variety of reasons. Obviously, the things like easy to use, plug and play cameras, solar powered, accessing everything from my phone is really big. But the main thing that I was impressed with and made me feel more safe, you've got the siren and the lights as a deterrent versus just recording it happen. If you're looking at a security system, definitely check out Swann, obviously available here at Adorama. There are a variety of cameras and systems with different options, so just figure out which one is right for you. I'm wedding and portrait photographer Vanessa Joy. Make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell, and I will see you next time.